session, we are going to be making this lovely house magnet. Now this is a lovely craft that you can give as a gift. You can leave the middle empty, so you can put a photo, you can put a quote, or it's a nice way to teach young children their address. You know, you can put their address where they live. In this case, this house is number 5, but you can use it to teach them about their address so that they will remember that. Let's get started. We're going to need 15 craft sticks, of course a strip of magnet, glue, and some decorations. We're going to start with 9 sticks. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sticks. Okay, and I'm going to use one of these sticks to make sure that I can line them up nicely. Okay, this one is kind of sticking up, so. All right, now that they're nicely lined up, I'm going to apply glue to one strip, one stick, and I'm going to place it like so. Apply glue to the other strip, and this is going to help to secure the base of our house. This is the back. Okay. And we are going to apply our magnet to the top piece. It's adhesive, but if it's not adhesive, you would have to apply glue. Make sure it's fully secure and leave it to dry. Once it's dried, we can turn it over. And now that we've turned it over, we're going to put the frame of our house like so. Okay, so I'm going to apply glue here, and I'm going to put this one, and I'm going to apply glue here and here. I'm going to place this one. Okay, I'm going to place it until I'm happy with my roof, and allow that to stick. I'm going to apply glue to the bottom piece and cover that as well. And one more stick I'm going to apply to the top area over that stick that we have underneath. See, it's going to be the same place as the one we have underneath, except of course it's on top. Okay, now we have to let our house dry, but what we need to do next is to decorate our house. I'm going to use some glitter glue on my house just to give it a little decoration. You don't have to, you can color it as well. You can color your roof, you can color it green or brown, whatever color you happen to like. All right, I think I'm going to add this number 34. It's somebody's house number. A bit of decoration. I'm going to add these foam stickers. You can use whatever you have available. Or you can use some spangle from our handy dandy craft box. And there we have our lovely house magnet. Remember to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and of course subscribe to our YouTube channel for some more wonderful craft ideas.